Good morning, children. Today we'll start next part of the lesson. How many squares? So here we have to go to page number 36. Go to page number 36. You will see there our topic guess. It's very interesting. You have to just compare areas and perimeter. Okay, of different shapes. So let's start this. We have questions A, B, C, D, and E. A, B, C, D, and E. And now we'll solve it again one by one. Okay. So let's see the first question. Yes, the first one is which has the bigger area? One of your footprints or the page of this book? So this is very easy. You have to just imagine, or you can just calculate also. Okay. So answer is when comparing the area of footprints, okay, and the area of page of this book, the area of page of this book is bigger than footprints, your footprints. Okay, that you can imagine also very easily, that the area of the page is bigger. Next one, let's see. The question number 2 is which has the smaller area? Two 5 rupee notes together or 100 rupee note? This time you have to imagine again. Okay, so the answer will be 100 rupee note. 100 rupee note has the smaller area because we have two 5 rupee notes now. So when you will get together like this, when you will get like this, just see, you can imagine here. Okay, we have two 5 rupees notes. Okay, we have two 5 rupees notes and 100 rupee note. Okay, just imagine here. You can imagine in the shape of square centimeter also. Okay, so when you will compare, you will get that the area of the two 5 rupee notes are bigger than that of 100 rupee note. Okay, so that was the answer of question number B. You will note down. Okay, solution. Now next question is question number C. Yes, look at a 10 rupee note. Is its area more than 100 square centimeter? Yes, this is square centimeter. We are talking about just a square grid. Okay, square grid, you can say many squares of 1 centimeter. Okay, like square grids are there. So I will show you that. Just look at the picture. Yes, this is the square grid that is in your book also. So we have a square grid. Okay, so here you have a 10 rupee note. Just see carefully that this boundary I have marked there. This boundary is of 100 square centimeter. Okay, and the 10 rupees note is there lying on the square grid. Okay, so you can see easily that the area of 10 rupee नोट इज लेस देन 100 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. ओके, क्योंकि ये हमारा स्पेस खाली है यहाँ पे, ये सारा ठीक है, यहाँ पे तो नहीं आया, तो हमने नोट यहाँ पे प्लेस किया है, दैट इज लेस देन 100 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. सो यू कैन इमेजिन हियर. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? नो, द एरिया ऑफ 10 rupee note is not more than 100 square centimeter. It is less than. Next is question number D. Yes, is the area of the blue shape, the blue shape is here. Okay, the area of the blue shape more than the area of the yellow shape? If yes, then why? First, see the two shapes. This is the yellow shape, this is blue shape. This is a triangle, and here you can say this is a rectangle. Now read the answer. Let's see. No, first of all, answer is no. Area is not bigger or less. No, from the given image we can say that the area of blue shape is equal. Yes, the area is equal. You will see later, the area is equal to the area of the yellow shape, because the yellow and blue shaped figures are divided into two triangles of equal length. This triangle is made up of two triangles, and this rectangle is made up of two triangles, and the two triangles are same. So the two shapes are same, so area will be same. Okay, you can measure it also. Next way, number 5, is the perimeter of the yellow shape more than the perimeter of the blue shape? If yes, then why? Now it's this time we have to compare perimeter of these two shapes. So you can find it easily by a ruler. Okay, you can find the boundary. Okay, so what you will see there? Let's see the answer. No, the perimeter of the yellow shape is less than the perimeter of the blue shape. Yellow shape का जो perimeter है वो छोटा है perimeter of the blue shape. With the help of a ruler, we can find this is not able. We can find that the length of the boundary of the blue shape is more than the length of the boundary of the yellow shape. Okay, so you can calculate it. आप इसको चेक कर लीजिएगा, दोनों का perimeter को measure करिएगा, then you will find that the perimeter of this blue shape is more than that of this yellow shape, but area is same. Area is same. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you.